And had a problem because her cabinet maker didn't communicate well with the electrician. Her beautiful bathroom ended up not having the docking drawer that she wanted. Jan happens to live pretty close to our office. We just decided to come down here and do it for her. So she's got a drawer here, measurements check out. So I'm going to install a docking drawer here in Jan's new bathroom. Okay, so we are finished with Jan's docking drawer. This is a docking drawer blade single, 1514-160 white. Happens to be the most popular model for a bathroom vanity. We installed it per the instructions, plugged it in, and Jan has power in her drawer. Okay, so we're here in Jan's beautiful bathroom, and we're going to do a narrow drawer docking drawer installation. This drawer is 10.5 inches wide, so we're going to do the narrow drawer where we cut the hole in the wall in between the drawer bay and the sink bay, and we're installing a docking drawer 1514-160W, one of the most popular models for a bathroom vanity. I've already used my template to mark out the cutout on the back of the drawer, and I'm going to use my multi-tool to cut that out first. Cutout is finished, so now we'll mount this in the back of the drawer and make the notch for the narrow drawer. We need to cut a slot here in this wall in between the sink bay and the drawer bay, and that's going to allow the arms space to kind of nest when the drawer is closed. Okay, so now I'm going to do the vertical cuts, and because the sink is here, I don't have a lot of clearance, so I just rotated the blade 90 degrees on my multi-tool, so I'll be able to get these cuts in here in between the wall and the sink. Okay, so we are finished. We installed our docking drawer using the narrow drawer installation tip. You can see the docking drawer in the back. Tested it and it works. We used our multi-tool to cut the channel inside the cabinet between the drawer bay and the sink bay. I'll show you now where we cut the channel inside the cabinet.